pretty ticklish. I'm going to dry some of your teeth and have another look, yeah? Go dry, dry, dry. Amazing, good job.
It tickles my teeth.
It does, doesn't it? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
I want to check my teeth and brush my teeth tomorrow morning so well. Welcome to the Oliver and Lucas Kids Show. Today, we're at your dentistry for Lucas to get his teeth checked. Are you ready, Lucky? Let's go! To help protect your teeth, it's important you get your teeth checked and cleaned regularly by a dentist.
Hi, welcome to your dentistry.
We're here for a dental appointment for Lucas to check up on his teeth.
Yep. No worries, I've checked you guys in. Thank you. Have a seat.
Yes, I want to get a golden tooth. Can I? Do they have to take my tooth out to put it in? Do they?
Lucas, come on through. Nice to meet you today. I love it. That's amazing. G'day, come on through. Is this the first time you've been to the dentist?
No.
Wow. Good job. That's amazing. Help you?
That.
I don't want to make a mess of your t-shirt, so you don't have to change it before you do the next thing today.
What's cool is if you get bored, you can watch TV.
Lucas, I've got my mirror here. I've got my tooth ruler here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Amazing. So I've got this special air gun. Can you feel that?
Oh yeah, I know that.
You remember this from last time? It's pretty ticklish. I'm going to dry some of your teeth and have another look, yeah? Go dry, dry, dry. Amazing, good job.
It tickles my teeth.
It does, doesn't it? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Makes it cold.
It does. Is it like ice cream?
No.
Not as tasty. So, in about 1 year, what you'll notice is that these front teeth will start to go a little bit wobbly and they'll come out and it's time for the tooth fairy to come and get them.
And then I can get $1 million for my dad.
It's really important that we're removing all the bacteria, all the bugs off the teeth every morning and every night.
I thought we only do it nighttime.
We have to go morning and night. So when you're brushing your teeth, you need to go brush, brush, brush along the gum line. Can you feel the tickles there? It tickles along there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tickle it.
Yeah, that's what you need to do with your toothbrush. So I've got my bubblegum flavoured toothpaste. So we're going to brush your teeth. Go brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Grab the top
Tastes
one.
so good.
It tastes really good, hey? Go brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Wow, a little bit more. It's pretty good, isn't it?
I might going to take that home.
Oh, it'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Chin up to the ceiling, chin up. Good job. Brush, brush, brush. Can you feel it? Brushes along the gum line. That's where it needs to be. And how long do you spend to brushing your teeth at home? Like,
Mom tells me
yeah?
to when I go to the dentist, I have to do like 1 million hours. My brother came to 109
Whoa.
to brush my teeth.
Giving your teeth a polish. They look amazing, don't they? Beautiful. So we're going to give your teeth a rinse. Okay, lots of water. I've got my vacuum cleaner. You remember this, don't you? Like the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, can you feel that? It's a bit weird, isn't it? So that's to suck away all the water. Okay, opening up. Lots of water here. Good job. Whoa, good job. Tastes pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, but the water was very cold.
Oh no, very cold. Let's have a look. Hold on. Almost there. Otherwise, everything's looking amazing. So we're going to finish with a little bit of fluoride gel. Open and bite together. Beautiful. So bite and hold. Bite together. Yeah. You're okay? Good job. Spit out. Big spit. No water, okay? Do you need to have another spit? Good job.
Now it's all gone.
You did a really great job. Beautiful. And you get to choose some stickers. I think you are a monkey. What do you reckon? Got some special toothpaste in here that's special for you.
Yeah.
Give it a shot. Hopefully you'll like that a little bit more.
Thank you, Dr. Jack.
You're very welcome.
Some toothpaste and a toothbrush.
By watching us today, we hope we were able to make you feel more prepared for your first dental checkup.
I'm going to check my teeth and brush my teeth tomorrow morning so well.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can see more educational videos from Oliver and Lucas.